Weights on your right foot, stepping back on your left for count 1 as you sweep, weave, behind, side, cross as you sweep your left, weave back again, cross, step, back an 8th of a turn, weight is on your left foot, stepping your right foot back and left foot together, back, together, pointing your right toe softly, forward and forward, bring it back in. Let's do that with the count, left foot back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Second section, rocking forward, right, recover, together, back, dragging as you slightly pause, stepping back again, with a 3/8 turn to your left, stepping on the left foot, point to the right, hold for count 6, making a half turn right, we just step our right foot down slightly where it is, half, point, together, point. That section with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section, we're going to weave across, cross, step behind, and 1/8 of a turn. Into the corner, we step forward, together, back, and again we're going to drag it here. To the right, we're going to do a serpentine weave, back, step together, making a quarter turn, forward, together, quarter turn, back again, straightening up to our 3 o'clock wall with 3/8 together. That section with the count, right toes pointed out, weave across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section number 4, we're going to pivot with your left foot. Pivot, turn, half turn together, and back with your right foot. Have a little pause. Back with your left, into a half turn of your right shoulder, together, and a further quarter turn side, drag it towards. Weave behind side with a cross rock, behind side cross rock, recover your weight into a little quarter turn. End of dance, and we start again. That section, left foot pivot turn with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, making sure your is just a little step. Now to start the dance again, we're going to do a half turn. We've just stepped on 8 Back on the left foot, we need to do a half turn first, 1 onto your left. So as you cross rock, recover, quarter, half as you sweep, and you're into wall number 2. Let's go all the way through. We'll do the words first and the count second. Left foot, 7, 8, back sweep, behind, step, cross, sweep, cross and 8, back, step, together, point, and rock, recover, together, back, 3/8, and hold on your point, and point, weave, cross, side behind, 8, forward, together, back, serpentine weave, back, quarter together, back, quarter pivot, turn, together, back, half together, side, behind, and a cross rock, into a quarter turn and a half to start for 1, 2, 3. Let's do it with the counts. Weights on your right, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ready to start. There is one restart that happens on wall number 6 at count 24. We're going to get up to our point sections where we point left and right. Weave across, over, behind, 8 to the corner, and back, back, together, forward, together, side, make our 8 to the turn. Instead of doing section 4, which would usually be your pivot turn, we go straight into your half turn back, 1. So that section again, with the restart, we weave, cross, and behind, corner forward, and back, behind, quarter step, to the front, add a half, 1, 2, 3. So you just go into that restart like you finish every other wall with our half turn. To finish the dance, go right to the very end. You're at that cross rock recover. Instead of doing a quarter turn and a half sweep, we rock, recover, slow unwind to the front and just step out to the left. This dance is called Fooled Around. It's by myself, Joshua Talbot, and Stephen Paterson. 1 restart, wall number 6.